Charlie, what you doing?
He's looking at me like I want that phone. He just can't believe I have it and he can't have it. Look what a face he's leaving. Say hi, Mama.
I need boy.
Say hi, Mama. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, Mama. He's dancing around.
Yes, I am.
Say hi.
I'm gonna get you.
He found a pillow. Now he threw a pillow on the floor.
Baby.
Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Mama.
Hey, Charlie.
Say hi. Say hi, Mama.
Hello.
Look at that.
Hello, baby.
Say hi. Say dad, dad, dad. Say mom, mom, mom.
Hello, Charlie.
Oh. What happened? You there?
Yeah, I told him. Charlie, I believe you hit the button.
Yeah. You pushed the wrong button. Say hi, Mama.
Hi, baby. Hi, Charlie.
Oh.
What? What you doing? Mama's doll, baby. Yeah. Yes, you are. Mama's little doll, baby. Oh, sweetie.
Say hi. Tell her hi, Mom.
Hi, honey.
I give it to you, but you're going to throw it on the floor.
Oh, baby. Give me some sugar. Oh, sugar. You get them up some sugar?
Yeah, he's going to stand back up again. Come on. Get up there. You know you can pull up there. Yeah, I'll help you. Come on. See Daisy. Say hi, Mama. Say that. Yeah, he's found him a towel there to play with now.